All right, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. But yeah, happy holidays, and it is Christmas Eve right now, and it is 8:53 at night, and yeah, I just want to make this video and share it with you guys, but I 3D printed something on my Anycubic Kobra S1, and it is an awesome print. So if you guys are thinking of purchasing an Anycubic Kobra S1, this video is exactly for you guys, because I want to show you guys what the Anycubic Kobra S1 is capable of print quality wise. So here is a 3D print that I recently just got done printing, and it looks fantastic. So let's check it out. Okay, so it just came right off of the print bed with ease, and this print looks fantastic. I mean, look at it. So, I mean, look how smooth that is. And here's the inside. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, the Anycubic Kobra S1 is an awesome 3D printer, especially if you guys are new to 3D printing. You guys will have nothing but awesome prints right off the bat 3D printing with the Anycubic Kobra S1. And I got this in the combo as well, as you guys can see. So with the Anycubic Ace Pro, this allows you to 3D print multicolored prints, which is amazing. I've been actually working on multicolored prints with my Bambu Lab P1S. I still have to test that out with my Anycubic Kobra S1, but yeah, this is what it looks like though for the print quality. All right, so here is the print quality that you guys can expect from the Anycubic Kobra S1. Now, why would the Anycubic Kobra S1 be a great 3D printer to have, especially even if it's going to be your first 3D printer? Why would it be an awesome choice for your very first 3D printer? Well, the Anycubic Kobra S1 has a print speed max of 600 millimeters per second, which is actually super fast, while the Bambu Lab P1S has a max print speed of 500 millimeters per second, which 3D prints awesome prints as well. And both of them can also do multicolor prints, of course, if you get them in a combo. But do you have to get the combo with the 3D printers? Like, can you just get the Anycubic Kobra S1 by itself? Of course you can, which is also another great option if you don't plan on doing multicolor prints right away. Like if you just want to get a good feel of 3D printing, you can also just get the Anycubic Kobra S1 by itself as well. And here's what you can expect. So this is a one filament color 3D print from the Anycubic Kobra S1. Now let's go ahead and take off the supports. And I also want to show you guys this because the supports come off super easy. So here we go. Here you go. The whole support just came off super easy. Okay. Easy peasy. No need for any snippers at all, which is amazing. Okay, which is what I also love about the Anycubic Kobra S1 is not only is the print quality amazing, but if you plan on using supports, or if you have to use supports on your 3D print, I mean, taking the supports off is a breeze. There's no trouble at all removing supports, which is why I love 3D printing on my Anycubic Kobra S1. Like, you got tons of supports on the inside here, but taking them off, removing them, it's just like that easy. So removing the brim, I like to use brims on my 3D prints just to make sure the print stays in place the whole time while it's 3D printing. And removing the brims, piece of cake as well. Love it. All right, so here is what you can expect for a 3D print off of the Anycubic Kobra S1. I mean, look at the finish on the outside of this 3D print. It's super smooth, and if you plan on 3D printing this, like let's say you use a filament that is in a color that you're really not a fan of and you just want to paint it, well, with the Anycubic Kobra S1, there is no need for you to sand the print. You can pretty much go ahead and paint this right off the bat as soon as it gets done printing. You can go ahead and paint this, whatever, with no issues. Because of how smooth the Anycubic Kobra S1 3D prints the model. And the Anycubic Kobra S1's price point as of right now is around $479. Then, of course, plus the fees, the taxes, while the Bambu Lab P1S has a price point of $549. So if you guys would go with the Anycubic Kobra S1, yes, you guys will be able to save a little bit more money and maybe put that money towards accessories that you guys might need, or even filament that you guys are going to use with your Anycubic Kobra S1. And another thing that I love about the Anycubic Kobra S1 is the screen. So the screen is very responsive. There is a lot of information on here that you can clearly see, and pictures of your prints they have on your SD card, which is going to be located right here. That will also come with the printer as well. But yeah, I mean, going through here, you can go through all the settings. Now with the Bambu Lab P1S, on the other hand, I mean, you do get a smaller screen, as you guys can see, but it is also very handy and very easy to navigate through as well. And again, that goes the same with the Anycubic Kobra S1. I mean, if you guys want a bigger screen when operating through your 3D printer, I mean, the Anycubic Kobra S1 has an awesome screen versus the Bambu Lab P1S. But yeah, if you guys are thinking of getting an Anycubic Kobra S1, I mean, I would highly recommend it. But I do want to note, after owning multiple 3D printers, I do have somewhat experience with 3D printers. There are going to be times that you could have issues with your 3D printers. I mean, I own 3 Anycubic Kobra 2 Maxes. I own 1 Bambu Lab P1S. And again, I also have an Anycubic Kobra S1. And I also have 2 Creality Ender 3 Pros. And I also have a Creality CR10S. Now, each of these printers, all of them, I did have issues with them, which is completely normal when having a 3D printer. I mean, there's going to be wear and tear. And if you're new to 3D printing, this is not an issue at all. I mean, it happens to the best of us. It's just another thing that goes when having and owning a 3D printer. But yeah, if you guys are thinking of getting a Anycubic Kobra S1, I mean, it's an awesome 3D printer. I mean, as you guys can see, the print quality that you're able to 3D print with the Anycubic Kobra S1 is amazing. So yeah, if you guys are thinking of getting the Anycubic Kobra S1, I mean, I highly recommend it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.